Morphle can morph into anything I want. Morphle, morph into a train.
Have fun at the beach, everyone! To find it. Now the lion is missing as well. Where could it have gone? The giraffe has gone missing as well. Her bandage! Yes! The bandits must have stolen them. Let's find them. Aha! There you are, bandits. What did you do with all the animals?
Huh? What animals?
The animals that were in the carts that have disappeared.
You mean the carts that have disappeared like that?
The third monkey. Uh-oh, he's gone missing. Don't worry, we'll find him again. There you are. It's not fun to be alone, is it? Now that you're together again, let's find the other animals. They must feel just as alone and sad as you did just now. If you find them, you can call Morphle. Uh-oh! Morphle, morph tracks to right underneath the elephant. Phew! Great! Now let's find the others. Wow! That looks great, Lion! Yeah! Now we only need to find the giraffe. Whee! There you are, giraffe. You see, Monkey? much more fun to all be together. Now, let's go to the beach. Bye-bye, Giraffe.
Later.